My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Rapax. Rapax is a ransomware that targets many Windows computers today. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the data. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. So, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data, all that can be opened easily without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rapax ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. As a consequence, the files get all damaged and encrypted, and obviously it's not possible to open the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom for file restoration, supposedly. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay the ransom. The ransomware is called Rapax because it actually appends this Rapax extension to the file names. It also changes the desktop background, and finally it reveals this ransom note. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. So I recommend you to use a special software called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this website, combocleaner.com. From this place, combocleaner.com, download the software using the green download button, install it, and then start investigating the system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to fully identify and eliminate this ransomware and other threats. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. Definitely you need to wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated, because this is essential for proper detection of this ransomware. And after the antivirus database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll also be able to know their locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.